Hello. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to add your signature in a PDF using Zapier and PDF.co. This is our sample PDF invoice. At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to add your signature and name right below the table. First, let's create a Zap. Next, let's set up the Google Drive. Let's choose the new file and folder as the trigger event. Then, let's connect our Google Drive account. In the Drive field, let's choose the My Google Drive. In the Folder field, let's choose the PDF.co demo. Now, let's test the trigger to make sure that it works properly. Great. Here's the invoice PDF that we will use in the next step. Next, let's set up PDF.co. Let's choose PDF Filler as the action event. Then, let's connect our PDF.co account. In the Source PDF field, select our Google Drive file. In the Text Objects field, add the X and Y coordinates, page number, your name, in our case, John Doe, font size, and font name. You can use the PDF viewer to get the object coordinates. Just open your PDF file, select an area you want to add the object, give it a name, and then scroll up, and you'll see the coordinates and page number. Let's add our signature. Enter the X and Y coordinates, page number. Let's open the PDF.co built-in file storage to get the signature image. Add it as URL, and let's add the image size. You can draw your signature using the Make Signature tool. You can save this signature in PNG format or use the Datary URL as your signature link. Now, let's send our configuration to PDF.co to test and review. Great. Copy and paste the URL to view the signed PDF. For more information, click on Support and Help. And check out the API docs, explore sample codes, try the Postman collection, join our Facebook group, and contact our customer support team. We look forward to hearing from you.